everybody, it's me MCPE here, and today I'll be doing the aerial again because I haven't learned the aerial yet. I'm trying to learn it. I feel like learning certain butterfly knife tricks are easier than learning any other type of tricks. Alright. I like to do the Zen rollover before I do an aerial because I feel like that just makes it easier. But I'm going to consider that a success. Like, maybe I could hit and then toss it up. Oh, and I caught it. I know you guys didn't see that because it wasn't on camera, which sucks. Someday I'll get a better camera and I'll be able to show from a wider angle. But yeah, have a nice day, guys.